Hi folks, as most of you drone enthusiasts might know, Autel Robotics is slated to release several new drones in the coming weeks. Two of them are going to be called the EVO Lite and EVO Lite Plus. Now, fellow YouTuber Tech Drone Media has leaked a promotional video meant for the Chinese market. Unfortunately, it's all in Mandarin, and I would hazard to guess that most people, or a lot of people here in the USA, will not be able to understand it. Fortunately, I have a daughter that does speak Mandarin, and she was good enough to translate for me. I thank Tech Drone Media for the initial leak, and I hope you enjoy the video.
这是全新的航拍伙伴，3种配色有你好看，带上它，开启你的光影之旅。EVO Lite 加智能跟拍，随身而动，毫秒级对焦，抓拍快一点，遗憾少一点。1英寸 CMOS， 6K 超感光影像，成像是光线的艺术。全新 Autel Skylink 图传体验，你的脚下就是远方。就这？不，EVO Lite 冲破想象，竖着拍，横着拍，想怎么拍就怎么拍，超清人像，你就是主角。5000万像素 RYYB 绿色阵列，细节满满，真惊艳。极速直传，美好即刻分享，40分钟超长续航，把灵感一兑现。还有3项双目感知系统，请你放胆飞行。有了 EVO Lite、EVO Lite 加，大片儿随手可得。
So what do you think? Oh yeah, I guess you should be trembling. Gansia Shokan.